Do you want to turn on and off the Startup Sony logo on your Sony Bravia Smart TV? To enable and disable the Startup logo is pretty quick and easy. So let's see how to do it. Well, so to do that, you just go ahead and grab your remote. So now to enable or disable the Startup logo, just go ahead and press the home or menu button from your remote and then find out the settings option. So I'm just going to go ahead to the top and then going to the right side. And once I get the settings option, press OK. And from here, go down to the system settings and go down to the general setup, and under the general setup you'll get the second option, startup logo. So currently my startup logo is turned off. Now in order to turn on this option, just go ahead and press OK and then select on and then press OK again, and the startup logo will be enabled on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. From now, every time I'm going to power on my TV, it's going to show me the logo. Now, if you want to turn off or disable this option, you need to get back to the same settings and select the startup logo and then press OK and then select off and then press OK again, and the startup logo will be disabled on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. So guys, this is how we can easily turn on and off the startup logo on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.